Hi everyone, breaking news, Canva is on fire. Look at what you can do for free. I love this, don't you? Let's go, let's create a project. Let's start. First go to Canva and choose presentation. Here you can add elements, images and text. Let's do all of them. Now let's download it as a PNG file. This is very important. Go back to Uploads to upload this PNG file back to Canva. Okay, now click on Apps and choose Speed Paint. This is where the magic begins. Okay, you can play around with smoothness, duration and other features, but we'll just tick these two boxes, add sketching hand effect and add fade out effect. Next, click on Animate Image. Boom! Here it is! Now repeat the process until you're done. Don't you love it? I told you you'd love it. Do like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you these best free tools, especially for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.